Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. Surprise, surprise. And today I am still hanging on to fall. I see that all of the stores have Christmas stuff out. Some people have already started Christmas crafting, but I will say it again like I did in the summer. I kind of like to wait and enjoy the season that is currently going on before I go crazy with the next stuff. So my Christmas crafts probably won't come till later on, and as much as I want to buy Christmas stuff right now because I know they will disappear off the shelves, I'm going to try and hold out because, like I said, I want to enjoy what's currently happening. So let me show you what I bought. So the first item that I was really happy to see, because these are my favorite items at Dollar Tree during this season, are the scarves, and these are the red plaid scarves. These are actually nice and thick, so you can actually use them. Most of the time I buy these to craft, but this one I feel like using it as a headband or just using it as is really nice because it's really nice material. So I bought these. Then I also bought this one, which is not an infinity scarf, it's just a regular one. If you haven't already seen the video, last year I made these scarves into like reindeer, really nice Christmas pillows. So I will link that above, below, at the end, so you guys can check that out. It is so cute. I loved it, and I still have it in storage so I can bring them out this year. But these things are such a nice size, and the print is so nice. They no longer look cheap like the old scarves that they used to bring in, so I love their fleece scarves. I also found this buffalo check. Right now, this pattern is everywhere. Everyone is farmhouse crafting, so this would be really pretty to use as anything, even as a table runner. I'm going to be using these scarves a lot in tutorials, so definitely look out for them. I was super duper excited to find these gold balloons at Dollar Tree. If you buy them at Target or Party City, they're really expensive. I'm not going to say they're the same quality because these are really small compared to the ones they sell in other stores, but I will take a smaller balloon for $1 than a regular sized one for $14 a piece. It is ridiculous. So this comes with its own little straw to inflate. But I recently went to a Dollar Tree that actually had them up on their list of balloons, so they will inflate them with helium for you. I don't know if it's these or they're using a different kind, but I thought that was really cool. I always love to see people celebrating their birthday and stuff and holding those really cute balloons. It makes such a cute picture. So for milestones and birthdays, this is perfect. I couldn't find a 2 for 200,000 subscribers, which I know I'm not that close to, but I'm definitely going to celebrate. And by the way, thank you guys so very much for subscribing and watching and all of the things. I am so appreciative of you guys, and I love you so very much. If you know me, you know that I love palm fronds and all things tropical. So when I saw these little decals, I fell in love. My laptop case is actually a little bit on the worn side, so I wanted to use these on the laptop case just to cover those little corners that are going crazy. And I think this would look really pretty. It says you can also use it on cell phones, which I think these are a little big for a cell phone, maybe a tablet. But I will show you guys as I place it on my laptop. Super duper cute. Back to the buffalo check, I found this super cute headband. I use these all the time when I'm applying my makeup because my hair is always in my face, and so that I don't mess it up with bobby pins like I did today. So I love these, and they're super cute if you're going to the gym or anything like that. You don't have to wear anything ugly or frumpy, and you can always cut this up and craft with it. It is nice and stretchy. Actually, just kidding, it is not stretchy, but you can still use this. I think I would use this to make a little sleeve for my coffee. I think that would look so cute. By the way, am I the only one that is obsessed with plaid? And I'm so sorry if I'm speaking so much and so fast. I drank so much coffee this morning, so I am super duper excited.
Red Bull! It gives me wings!
So be ready for a really chatty video. I used to be one of those people that never walked through the food aisle of Dollar Tree. I don't know what it was. It wasn't like I was grossed out. I just never really thought that it was a bargain. I always thought it was smaller items or maybe it was expired. But recently I've been actually buying a lot of things and I've been so surprised by the name brands. And this week I found this, and I see this at Walmart all the time and I always walk by it and never purchase it. And once I saw it at Dollar Tree, it just stood out and I had to purchase it. This says it's easy 5-minute prep and you're supposed to bake it with frozen chicken. So I don't know how I feel about baking it with frozen chicken because I like to season my chicken and all that jazz, but anything that can make dinner easier is an A in my book. So I had to purchase it, and like I said, I am loving that Dollar Tree has more name brand food items. In the makeup section, I found more LA Color palettes. If you saw my haul maybe like last month, I picked up one of their naked palette dupes and it was actually really good. The color payoff was really nice. There was no fallout. Everything was nice and pigmented. So I really liked it. I'm hoping that these are the same. They come in different shades. Like this one is rose and then they have another like color scheme. This is the one that I like best. I also purchased their lipsticks. This one is in the shade maroon and this one is in the shade cappuccino. So their shades are actually really nice and in season. And for Dollar Tree stuff, that's pretty awesome because before they would get things that were out of season and couldn't sell in stores. So now to see things that you can wear during fall. And this is actually really good quality. I have worn these and they stay on for a really long time. They don't dry out your lips. So I definitely do recommend these if you see them in stores. I purchased this 3-pack of canvas panels, and this was a mistake purchase. It is totally my fault. I did not read. I assumed this was one single canvas, but mini, and I was really excited for it. I was gonna put a little cow on this and put some Jenga pieces. I was super duper excited. And then when I got home and I realized that it was 3 mini canvases, I don't know how I feel about that because I really like that canvases kind of stick out from the wall. So when they're flat, it kind of just looks like you grab some construction paper and just on the wall. But I'm still going to use them because I purchased them and that's just what I do. But I just assumed these were 3 mini canvases. This does not mean that it's a bad buy, not at all, because this is still cheaper than you would get it at Michael's, I guess. But it's not what I was expecting. Melatonin. Every time I see these, I pick them up. I buy every single one that's in the store, and I'm sorry in advance for that because I never ever clear a shelf, ever. I think it's so rude. But when I see the melatonin, I kind of have to. I cannot sleep at night, and these are better than the Ollie ones. I mentioned it in my shop with me. Ollie sells melatonin gummies and they're about 15 bucks. And when you compare the ingredients, they are the same. And these are $1 for 2 weeks supply. So I buy quite a few and I save a ton of money. I love them. I haven't tried the biotin or the multivitamin. This is the only one I'm really interested in. So if you have issues with sleeping at night, and you see these in the store, try them out. They work and they don't give you that nasty groggy feeling. For me, if I take like Zarbee's or any other melatonin or ZzzQuil, it's basically asking me to be a grouch the next morning.
Another glorious morning. Makes me sick.
I thought these socks were adorable. They are Halloween socks, black and white stripes with the little vampire lips up top. Super duper cute. I don't know why I am thinking of Rocky Horror Picture Show, probably because of the red lips. I'm also getting A Real Monster vibes from this. Who here remembers A Real Monsters? That's back when Nickelodeon was amazing. But now it's just SpongeBob, which nothing wrong with SpongeBob. But I love me some 90s Nickelodeon. I love these magnetic photo frames. I love the fact that they look like wood. I love the fact that there is nothing metal in the back. I have a stainless steel refrigerator and I actually ended up scraping it when I went to go move one of my magnets. There's no coming back from scraping stainless steel. So it was really nice to see this with no metal, no nothing, and it just looks so cute. I do plan on putting this on display. If you don't want to put it up on your refrigerator, every time I film a video, he just passes on by. Anyway, I thought this was an amazing buy and so smart. They are Shore Fresh containers, and the containers are vented. So instead of having the lid pop up when you heat it up or having to take the lid off if you're using a microwave at work, you can just kind of open it up and heat it with the lid on. It is so cool, and it brings two of them. It says it's microwave safe, freezer safe, BPA free, and it holds 3.78 cups. So this is a really good deal. They also have a much bigger one. I just think this is really cool, especially now with all of the events going on, Thanksgiving and all of the holidays. For takeout containers, these are amazing. This storage basket is so cute. I wouldn't even spray paint it. I love the color that it comes in. I love the two little handles here. To put flowers in here would be great. To just use it as a storage basket would be great. Filling it up with pumpkins right now would be amazing. And it is a really nice size. I don't know if they have it in square this big, but look at this. Super duper cute. Speaking of flowers, I've purchased, this is called Hop Bush. Super duper cute, along with more white chrysanthemums. I know you guys think I'm crazy, but I promise you there are a lot of things that I don't put on the channel because they would be 2-second videos. But I do use flowers a lot when it comes to crafting. I do a lot of things for my sister. My sister used to make fondant cakes, so did I. If you go on my Instagram and scroll way down, you'll see some of my fondant cakes. You'll see some of her fondant cakes as well. And a lot of times she used to set up tables. So these flowers came in handy for a lot of that. So I'm not insane, I promise you. I've been getting a lot of questions about my nail polish color when I have these short pink nails. And it's not nail polish, it is, again, press-on nails. These are press-on nails from the Dollar Tree. They are the Kiss ones. And the only bad thing I can say about these nails is that they only bring 12 nails. So you kind of have to just pray to the heavens that they happen to have your size, or buy two, which is what I do often, and then I just save the rest for the next set. But I buy these a lot because they're short, they're comfortable. When I'm crafting, I pre-film a lot, and I hate having my nails change. So when I'm pre-filming something that I'm gonna post way later on, just a secret, if you see these pink nails, I've probably filmed it way before I released it out into the world. It just makes my life a whole lot easier, and it is a really pretty color. These white bowls, I got quite a few. I also use the white plates from Dollar Tree. I love. I'm a visual person, and I love making my food look fancy, making my food look pretty. When I was in my early 20s and didn't have a ton of money, one of the ways that I would feel fancy or like if I was treating myself was I would make myself the most regular meal. I don't care if it was ramen and hot dog. Well, just kidding. I've never eaten ramen and hot dogs. But I would make myself the most basic meal, and as long as I plated it really nice, I felt like I was giving myself a treat. And I promise you, the next time that you make yourself a meal, just make sure that it looks kind of presentable. Sit outside, enjoy the fresh air, and you will feel like you just went to a really nice restaurant. A lot of those restaurants that charge you for gourmet this, and it's like Captain Crunch pancakes and blah, blah, blah. All it really is really nice plating. It's not super duper expensive food. It's just the art of making things look really appealing. I'm not saying that for all of them because there are some that use amazing, expensive ingredients, but for the most part, you are paying for presentation and you're paying for an experience. So if you can do that for yourself at home, I promise you, like, you will enjoy every single bite of whatever meal it is you cooked, even if it is ramen. So let me go ahead and show you some of the things that I thought were amazing at Dollar Tree, but I didn't need in my home this week.
This week I found these really cool pillows. Look how big these are, and they come in the cutest print. Donuts, cookies, hamburgers, and these little puppies. It would be awesome for a kid's gift or a teenager. And I also found these really cool skull candles. These are LED candles, but I really didn't need them, so I had to pass them up.
Okay, so that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul, and I also want to thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me each and every week. I see so many familiar faces every week, and I am so grateful. You guys really are my besties, and I love you so very much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.